Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mr. Chowdhury. I'm at Lalbagh in Bourne, Cambridge. Uh, what we like to say is we get lots of our own Bangladeshi customer who comes here in Cambridge Central Mosque, and then they come to Lalbagh for a Bangladeshi food. Nice to hear that we'll do some nice Bangladeshi dishes like khalabuna, murgi jol. Also we do fish, tengamita sea bass, rhubarb sea bass on a bengali fish broth. So it's plenty dishes what we like at home. You can find it here at Lalbagh. So I like to invite you all to come to Lalbagh and give us a try. And we have 88 seat setting, but we can do up to 100 guests at a time. So yeah, we can do other functions, nikah functions, wedding as well. But there is, long as there is a time frame, it shouldn't be a problem. What can I say? Please come to Lalbagh.